Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. You guys, I just now started. It's 11:30 right now, and just starting my shift right now, and received hold on, yeah, where's my key? I just received a pickup, a shopping order, $21 for 1 mile, and I'm going to shop for 20 items. So let's go shop this order. Oh, done, y'all. Let's go out check out. I just finished now talking to the customer, you guys, because the GPS took me to the wrong building. So I had to call the customer, and the customer was explaining to me where to turn, where to go, and all that. So I finally found it, y'all. Finally found a place. So let's take all this thing down. Hey y'all, I just received another offer. $25. I'm going to shop for 2 people. One of them has 17 items and the other one has 7 items. So let's go. Yeah, I'm done shopping. This is for 1 and this is for B. So let's put in a car. First customer, it's only 6 minutes away. Only 6 minutes. Okay, I'm here, guys, and I'm delivering upstairs. I thought it was gonna be downstairs because I saw it was apartment. So I'm taking out this one here. That side is for B. So I think I'm gonna go 2 trips. I actually took them in 1 trip because I didn't want to come back. Alright, let's go drop another one. We have 10 minutes to go drop another order, y'all. 10 minutes. Alright, 1807. 1807. Here. Received another offer, you guys. $16 going 4.6 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 11 items. Let's go shopping. Here we are. Other shopping order, you guys. It's $20 going 10 miles, and I have to shop for 11 items, and I have like 5 more so far. 10 minutes to get here. So let's drop off. $15 for 4 miles, and I had to shop for 9 items. So I'm done. Right now I'm going. Sorry. I'm going to check out. $22. It's going 2.8 miles, and I'm going to shop for 31 items. It's a lot of items, but it's almost the end of my day, so I was like, why not? Let me take this off. Let me take this offer. Done, all done. Actually, it was faster than I thought, y'all. I just received another order, guys. $15, and it's going 1 mile. And I'm only shopping 2 items, y'all. Let's go get another my last one. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you. I just received another offer, $15 for 4 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 2 items. 27. Oops, they don't have it. 8:30. 23, 27, 30 here. Okay, y'all. I am here to deliver my last delivery of the day, you guys. My last delivery of the day. Okay, you guys, let me go back home. It was such a good day. It was such a good day, to be honest. And I did 9 hours. I mean, nine offers altogether, 9 orders. That's how many I did today. And we worked for 7 hours because it's 6 hours and 53 minutes. So that's almost 7 hours. So I'm so thankful, you guys. 166. Woohoo! It was such a busy day, and I only did shopping orders. Yo, I only did shopping orders today. Someone asked me between Viho and Spark, which one I love the most. Yo, I love Spark. Spark is my app, y'all. Spark is my app. I only go to Viho because you know about Spark. Sometimes you get orders, sometimes it's slow, sometimes, you never know. That's why I always go to Viho. But other than that, I love Spark. Spark is my number 1 app in all the apps. But if I didn't have Spark, I would definitely do Viho. I would definitely do Viho than other apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats. I would choose Viho over Uber Eats and DoorDash. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.